Are you looking to create a stunning office space that inspires collaboration and creativity? Many businesses face the challenge of designing interiors that not only reflect their brand, but also enhance employee productivity and comfort. Disorganized, uninspiring spaces can lead to low morale and decreased output. There's a solution tailored just for you. Imagine stepping into a beautifully designed office that perfectly balances functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our expert commercial office interior designer specializes in crafting custom spaces that align with your company's vision and goals. Whether you're revamping an existing office or starting from scratch, we bring innovative ideas and meticulous attention to detail to the table. From layout planning and furniture selection to color schemes and lighting, we manage every aspect of the design process, ensuring your workspace is not only visually inspiring but also optimized for teamwork and productivity. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.